Corporate fixed deposits, bonds, debentures, NCDs. If you're someone who's wondered what would be a good way to determine where to put your money, this video is just for you. Hi, my name is Anita and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Slate with Anita. So one of the things I do is to help my clients manage their money and their money mindset better. So let's see what do we have in store for you today. कभी आपके पास ऐसा हुआ है कि you've gone to a hotel, you've checked in and they've asked you for a little bit of money as a safety deposit? Well, today's topic is similar to that. Credit ratings and what do they mean for you as a retail investor? Well, credit rating agencies are agencies. There are 7 in India. The top 3 are CRISIL, CARE, ICRA, which actually rate a lot of financial instruments that will help you make an investment decision better. Well, credit rating agencies just don't give out a rating. There are 5 important factors that play a role. सबसे पहले तो of course the financial statements of the organization. Secondly would be their past and current lending and borrowing transactions. Also their past and current debts. अगर कंपनी नया कैपिटल रेस करने की कोशिश कर रही है, so what is the amount, what is the type, what is the purpose of the credit that they are wanting, and of course last but not the least, their ability to fulfill the financial obligations. Typically, you will see that the ratings will move from a AAA to a AA to a single A to a B to a double B to a single B to a C to a D. Pretty much जो हमारे स्कूल और कॉलेजेस में रेटिंग सिस्टम या ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम होते हैं, तो ये रेटिंग्स भी कुछ सिमिलरली हैं. But it totally depends on which is the rating organization that is doing so. Because for example, अगर आप international agencies को consider करो, जैसे कि Standard and Poor, Moody's, Fitch, then maybe their AA plus would be a even better rating compared to our AAA. However, like you can probably guess, AAA is right at the top of the chain, which means it's completely a safe instrument. Whereas if you come to D, that means there is a 100% default risk with that organization. Where should you invest? Well, of course, it depends on where is it in your portfolio. अगर आप थोड़ा सा रिस्क लेने के लिए तैयार हैं, because you are seeing that a double B or a double A or a single A instrument is actually given more returns, and you can allocate that in your portfolio, then go for it. But if you're someone who just wants a vanilla, safe and secure instrument, then you should look for the top credit rating by any of these agencies. So yeah, just the way an individual has a credit rating which comprises of 3 C's, which is capacity, collateral and character. जैसे आपके मामले में सिबिल रहेगा, you will have a credit score जिसको कि यूज करके banks tend to lend the money. उसी तरह से the same thing applies for the companies at an organization level. And should you want to make an investment into the company, you can check out these ratings. Alright, that's all from my desk. So next time you want to invest somewhere, look at the rating, look at it carefully. Because remember, कभी कभी first rank holder जो है जाके कंपनी में safely salaried employee बनता है, whereas the bottom rank holder or the mid rank holder कभी कभी अपना startup खोल लेता है, right? Which goes on to become a unicorn. So check the ratings, check every fundamental and then invest. Of course, please do make sure you like the video, share it further, spread the word, and you have a lovely week ahead. Till then, thank you for watching and keep staying with me, Slate with Anita.